guys, I hope your day is going well. My name is Darla Rodriguez and welcome to my channel. Here we talk about all kinds of things, from makeup to skincare to body care to tools, which we're going to be talking about today. So if you're into that kind of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and we'll get into it right now. So a couple weeks ago, I did a video on the Brush Crush by Drybar, which is a brush straightening iron, and it is still, I love it. It worked. If you didn't see the video, I'll link it above and you can kind of check that out, but it's pretty amazing. And that was the first time I was using it, so it was like first impression. I didn't know what I was gonna think about it, and it totally did beyond what I thought it could do. On that episode, I did ask if you guys would be interested in me demoing the Drybar 3-day bender, which this is it right here. I've had it over a year. I'm gonna be dead honest, the first week I had it, I absolutely hated it. Like, I just didn't like it at all. I bought it from the salon, you know how that goes. You know, you get your hair done and you're like, what did you use? I want all of it. A year later, I absolutely love it. I wouldn't use anything else. Let me talk a little bit about it before I demo it on my hair. I use it all the time, like weekly, daily. Well, not daily. Sometimes I go straight. But when I want my hair curled, at least 3 times a week, I'm using this, and I absolutely love it. There's 3 buttons here. It's where you can take down the temperature, you can add degree, and then the, of course, power button. So you power it up. It's powered up in 60 seconds, which who doesn't love that? It really heats up quickly, and then it will heat up to 440 degrees. I don't use that personally because I color, I bleach, I do a lot of things to my hair, so I stay around 350. And it does the curl really nicely. I have a little bit of notes because I don't want to mess up anything. It does have the ionic technology just like the Brush Crush, which means seals the cuticle for less frizz and tons of shine while styling. And if you watch that video, and you'll see it here, like these tools, they just give shine to your hair. It's so nice, and I'm sure it's that technology that's like sealing down the cuticle, which if it frays, that's where you get that frizziness. This seals it down and it just makes it nice and smooth. Secondly, it has infrared technology, which heats the hair from the inside out to help maintain healthy locks. So I will say right now my hair is just blow dried. I do have the Dyson blow dryer, FYI. But I saved Ulta points. I made it worth my while. That is an amazing blow dryer. If you guys haven't checked it out, check it out. And then back to what this curling iron does. Dual ceramic heaters create even, steady heat within 60 seconds. So you're not holding it for long, and you'll see, like, I'm just gonna put it in and take it right out. Like, it just does what it says. I already talked about the digital temperature control, and it does have an automatic shut off in 60 minutes. Now, another little thing it comes with is this right here, which I loved. So you set it on your table and you're not burning. Even if you want to set it like, can you see that? Even if you put it on the end, you can set it like that, or you can set it right on the barrel. It doesn't matter. But this has been awesome. I love it. I do have my little clip here because sometimes I'll section off my hair, and if I want a lot of curl, because I'm pretty straight down here, I'll do it in sections. But for the demo today, I'm not. I'm just gonna like grab some pieces and just throw some I just want like a beachy wave, and this absolutely does it. So before I get started, I haven't even turned it on yet. I want you to see it is a clamp, okay? And it's crazy because, so here it's clamped, here it's not. That was my learning curve, because at the end of it, it clamps it. So if you wanted to do tight curls, you can definitely do that. Hold it like a regular curling iron. That is typically not what I do, but it is an option. Like if I'm going to a special event and I really want some tight curls and not such a messy look, more of a, you know, that that more elegant look, then you can definitely get that with this by using the end of it and using it as a curling iron. Now you'll see that the barrel twirls. So see this? That's another learning curve, because if you're used to a regular curling iron, the barrel doesn't move. So it makes it, once you learn that, it's pretty amazing. So how I typically will do it is I will hold the end and then just bring it out. And it's about from here to here where it's just like literally doesn't hold. So if you're used to a regular curling iron, that would be frustrating, which it was to me. But now that I know how to use it, you guys, I love it. So here we go. Let's stop gabbing, Darla, and get to it. So I'm going to turn it on. It's at 350. It'll be ready for me in like literally 60 seconds, nice and hot. I am going to just grab some pieces and show you easy loose wave look. It's already at 350, it's ready to go. I can already feel like it's heated up. I'm gonna grab just a piece here. I am not gonna go to the end. I'm gonna hold the end and I'm just gonna take it up. And there you have a little nice beach wave. Grab another piece. I'm not gonna go all the way to the end. I leave that kind of straight because that makes it look more natural. And there it is again. I'm doing the front for you because you can't see the back anyway. I'll do the back later, but I will just take pieces. So see the end right there? There it is. It's so easy once you get the hang of it. So I do typically grab the part that gives you some hold if I want more curl. So in here, I'm gonna grab this piece. And I don't go all the way to the root either, because our natural hair, you know, when you have that beachy wave, you don't have a tight curl all the way to your root. So this is straight, and then you have that little beachy wave. It's really that simple. Just don't get frustrated because of the twirling barrel. I think that's where I was, you know, most frustrated, was it was moving on me and I didn't want it to. See how pretty that's turning out? And I haven't even done, like, I just grab random pieces. I'll leave some straight pieces in there because, again, we're wanting like this really natural looking curl. And I'm not holding it tight either, just kind of going with it. And I just kind of pick my hair up, see where I have some too straight of pieces, and I'll put a curl in. And I'm trying to do this kind of quickly so you can see, I mean, look at the difference in the sides already. So there's that one. There's that without it. You see right here, I can even see it in the mirror where it's all like frayed. And that's just my cuticle, where this one already, that technology that they have is truly amazing. FYI, I already have like heat protectant. Always use a heat protectant on your hair. It's worth it. Let me do the other side off camera real quick and then I'll come back. So it is complete. I did the other side of my hair. I was actually doing what they suggest by holding that end. So I want to show you, to get a tighter curl, because this is my stubborn side, you grab, because again the barrel rolls, and leave that out so you have it a little bit more taut so you get that curl. Okay? This was short and sweet. I just wanted to go over how it works. I mean, this really is as quick as you can do it. I remember back in the day, it took me 30 minutes to curl my hair, which you're sweating, you're hot, curls are falling out by the time you get the other side done. Just super frustrating. This is quick, easy, does the job, takes the frizz right out, and gives you a nice, just messy but not messy kind of natural wave, and it's awesome. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.